Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send XRP from Arculus Wallet to Kucoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP ripples smoothly between your secure wallet and a major exchange, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check for the latest updates since crypto tech evolves quickly. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have the Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and your Kucoin account set up. Start by opening the Arculus Wallet and unlocking it with your PIN or biometric authentication. This keeps your assets safe. Security is key in the crypto world. Next, navigate to your XRP holdings. In the app, select the XRP asset from your dashboard. You'll see an option to send or transfer. Tap that to begin. Now, here's where you need to be precise. Copy your Kucoin deposit address. Head over to Kucoin on your browser or app, go to your wallet section, and select XRP. You'll find a unique deposit address there. Make sure it's for the XRP network, as using the wrong one could lead to lost funds. Back in Arculus, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Arculus will show you a transaction summary, including estimated fees. Review it carefully. If everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a prompt to verify with your security key or PIN. Once sent, it might take a few minutes for the XRP to appear on Kucoin, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction history in both apps to track it. Pro tip: always start with a small test amount to avoid any mishaps. And that's it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Arculus to Kucoin. This step is crucial for trading, staking, or managing your portfolio in 2025's fast-paced crypto market. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy trading.